Here on Mountain View Road, we just got done completing the FDR project. We joined with VDOT in a revenue sharing program to get the funds to do this road. This road usually is right close to 5,000 cars a day. It was essentially years ago a cart path, and then they came in and started doing some residential area, some building, widened the road, and just the construction of the road does not take. So over years we've milled and paved and tried to reconstruct some areas, and it just wasn't working, and got with the folks at VDOT and ourselves, and they came out here, and this was a good project to do FDR. Coming in and milling away the old asphalt and then taking another machine and going 12 inches down, and as they're mixing that, as concrete goes on top of it and it mixes it together and makes a concrete base. The benefits of this project is, one, it's a smoother ride. The road will last a whole lot longer, and there's no separation, and hopefully just longevity of the project. I mean, the road will last, the lifetime of this project should last 30 years. The last 2 years we've been able to spend over $1.5 million or so per year to pave. Like I said, that gave us about 33 lane miles, and with another $1 million projected to spend this year, we're looking at another 6 lane miles. It took us probably 2 or 3 years to save up our half of the money for Mountain View Road, and we would not be able to do that without the assistance of VDOT. So when we found this revenue sharing project, you know, it was a great deal, and great for the citizens, and we was able to get the project done, and you know, at the end of the day, we got a great road coming through here.